To connect or create a wallet, start by opening Telegram and accessing the relevant chat. From there, click on the play button to open the mini app, which will take you to the dashboard. Close any ads and click on the wallet option at the bottom. You will then be given two options: to create a wallet or to log in. If you already have a wallet, click on the login button and enter your details. If you don't have an account, click on the Create Wallet button. When creating a wallet, copy the secret phrase by clicking on the Copy to Clipboard button and save it somewhere secure. Once you've saved the phrase, click on the Continue button. Then confirm that you've saved it by clicking on Yes, Saved. Next, verify the phrase by selecting the correct words and click on the Continue button to create your wallet. With your wallet set up, you can deposit money to add balance or withdraw funds by clicking on the Withdraw button, entering the required details, and confirming the transaction.